Ugh.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yep.
Are they spectating? I think so.
Yeah. Just you and me in here.
Bro, hold on, give me a second. I have to
Yep.
lower these fuckers. Oh, I already lost $70. No.
No.
Hey, do you do down payments? Do you do payments?
I just want cash, I'm not gonna lie. My
Not
wallet's looking a little thin.
Do you win? Do you have Cash App?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, bet. But guess what? You're not gonna win, because I am.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta lock in, bro.
Oh shit, you scared me. Lock in.
What the fuck?
Lock in.
You're a virgin, bro. No,
I'm not a virgin, I'm autistic. Get it right.
no, this guy.
Oh shit.
Bro.
Standing by.
Bro, lock in. This is... I seen you play better than this.
Oh, I don't know what's going on.
You're diving out of windows.
Yeah. Oh, what? Bro does not miss no shot.
Something like that. There's gotta be more mannequins around here. Oh, nice. Oh, that was clean. That was clean.
Not too shabby. Bro, why are you moving so fast? Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Bro, oh my god, my controller's being so gay.
Oh, I'm ass. I'm ass.
Huh? What?
That missed?
Game
Nah.
marker?
Fuck that. I'm out. Fuck all that shit. Hit marker.
Bro, what?
Oh, that hit.
Bro, what are you running? That LR?
Yeah, LR. Aww. Ooh.
How the fuck?
I'm missing shit I shouldn't be.
Bro, I'm literally hitting you on your body and not even doing anything.
I'm so ass.
Too good. Fucking go. Are you spectating him? Bro doesn't even miss a shot, bro. This thing's fucking around with me. Watch. He's gonna spawn trap me.
Oh shit, I'm out.
Hey Joe, can I tell you something?
What?
Alright, I'm gonna start trying.
Alright,
I'm gonna start using my fingers. I was using my feet. My bad.
Okay. Okay. We all do it sometimes. Oh shit. I started flailing my mouse everywhere just to fuck around. I haven't like stopped doing that. I just fucking not even aiming anymore.
What? I only got 3 kills, bro.
Oh shit, nice. Now it's forward.
$25.
So for David, now he's gonna run around and go all the way up. Oh, that would've been crazy.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, I missed that? One bullet. One.
Oh, what? Ugh. I have to at least get one more kill.
Surely. I'll give you one. Come here.
Bro is gonna knife me. Bro's fucking with me.
Ah, nice. I didn't realize how fucking slow you move when you try to go backwards.
Bro's slide canceling.
Oh shit. I'm at
Hit marker? Bro has not hit one single hit marker this whole game.
yeah. He jumped out the window
just
and
one.
like licked at you. And
Yeah,
hit
just
your
one.
toes. Peekaboo. Oh, that would've been clean.
Crack school.
Oh, nice. None of these fucking subheads. Some other.
Where's bro at?
There's fucking mannequins.
Huh?
There's some fucking mannequins. Oh, that was clean. That was clean. I saw that.
What? I don't think you see me.
Yeah, Turk shot me.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Read like a book. I thought you hit that, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I was about to get. Hey, if you kill me, you're gay.
Brother! What?
I know scope. Yeah, bro, I did see.
Already dead.
GG. Oh my lord. 70 out of my paw. Hey, send me your cash app.
I thought you got in cash.
Huh?
Don't you got in cash?
Nah, I don't, bro.
Damn.
You don't have cash app?
You got Venmo?
Bro, look at this dude. Bro's moving like. Hey, you wanna one of my butts?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, Henry, you wanna 1v1 him? Yo, Henry. This guy. Yo, Henry. Bro's muted. Yo, Kevin. Do you wanna 1v1 him?